Okay, in this tutorial I will let you know about the how to turn decimal into fraction, right? Now I have a decimal 0.4. Now I want to turn it into a fraction. First of all, before turning it into a fraction, I'll turn it into a whole number, right? So I will remove the decimal. So to do that, I will multiply this by 10. Now, how I know I have to multiply by 10? If I don't know that, for example, what I'll do is I will jump the decimal forward once to make it a whole number. So because I have to jump it once to make it whole number, so I will just say 4. Okay, and I jumped once, so for one jump you have to multiply by 10. Okay, so because there's 1 0, so there's one jump, so I know that, right? So if I have to change 0.4, so I have to multiply by 10, right? And 10. So I did that. So what I do to top, I have to do to bottom as well. So I have to multiply it by 10, right? And so the answer is 4/10. That's the fraction, right? Now that's the fraction, and if I want to simplify it, I can further divide it by the common number that they have, which is 2, right? Divide by 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2/5. That's the simplest format, right? Now another one I have, example 0.25, right? First of all, I want to change it into fractions, so I need to change it into a whole number, so without decimal. So I'll jump the point once, I'll jump it twice, and because I have to jump it twice, so it means I have to multiply it by 100, because there are 2 zeros and I have to jump twice, right? So it will give me 25, right? What I do to top, I have to do to the denominator as well. So I multiply the denominator and it will be over 100, 25/100. Let me simplify it further. I can divide the denominator and denominator by 5, right? Both by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, 100 divided by 5 is 20. And then I can further simplify them. I can divide 5/20 again by 5, right? So it will give me 1/4. That's the simplest format. So it's quite easy. Now let's do it again. I'll do 0.125, change it into a whole number. So what I'll do is I will jump the points forward. So 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jumps. Now because I've jumped 3 times, so I have to multiply it by 1,000, because there are 3 jumps I did. Okay, so it will be 1 2 5, and because I multiplied the denominator by 1,000, I have to do the same with the denominator as well. So that's my answer. But now I need to simplify this further, so you can further simplify it, and as I did before, so you can do it yourself. Now I can there's another equation which is 0.08, and I want to change it into a fraction. I have to change it into a whole number, so I'll jump 1 twice. So when I jump twice, I have to multiply by 100, right? So it gives me 8. What I do to top, I have to do to bottom as well, which is 100. And now I can simplify it further by dividing by 2. Okay, and it gives me 4/50, and I can further divide 4/50 by 2, each one to simplify. It will give me 2/25. I can't simplify further. That's my answer. So it's as simple as that. Please let me know if you have any trouble with it, or if you want to ask further questions. I would love to help you guys. Thank you so much.